Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would be filming a how I tone my hair at home video, and I really love this method because it's very affordable. You pretty much just have to go out and get one product, which is the Manic hair dye. This method is perfect if you're looking to tone out any brassiness, any redness, and sort of those kind of unwanted colors from your hair. Let's say you bleached your hair, then you can use this. But I would recommend using the Manic if you are looking to just tone out a little bit of brassiness. It will tone it out completely, but it's more of a temporary option. So if you're looking for something more permanent, then it's better to use like a proper toner. But since for me it's just a little bit of that kind of burntness going on in my ends that I want to tone out, then I can just use this. So this is the Manic semi-permanent hair color cream, and this is in the color After Midnight, and I ever had this actually lying around because you can use this on dark hair and it will make your hair look like black blue, and I was just really in love with that. The reason I'm using blue is that my hair had more of an orange cast on it, so if you have more orange undertones, then the color that will cancel it out is blue. Now if your hair is more of like that yellowy color, then you're going to want to use a color like purple, and they have a whole shade range, and they have purples, pastels, they have like a light purple, which means that you wouldn't even really have to mix it with conditioner. In this case we're going to be mixing this with conditioner since it is very, very pigmented. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember. Muted out that oranginess, and so it just looks a lot more toned out and not too crazy. There was just something about the oranginess that I just felt like made my hair look really fried and kind of like I had set it on fire. Remember.